Alright, this is a video on a 2011 Toyota Camry. We're gonna do spark plugs and change one ignition coil for cylinder 2. Let's get to it. Alright, first thing, let's get this cover off real quick. It should just pop right on off. So it's just two little grommets in the back, pop right on up. Go to the side. Right here are the ignition coils. So these are all 10mm bolts and a little pop tab. So let's pop all those off real quick. It's already open. That rip is off. This one here. Alright, 10mm. I'll screw this right here. Okay. Perfect. Alright, good. So pop the screw out. The ignition coil should slide right out. And this is cylinder 2, so we're actually gonna replace this coil here. And there seems to be oil in here as well, which is not a good sign. I'm gonna take a spark plug socket, extension, wrench. And this has a magnet in it too, so it should just pick the spark plug right up. But throw this in here. Make sure it mates with the spark plug and then take it off. Should just come off smooth just like that. And then when it's free, just take it on out. It's gonna grip onto it and good to go. All right, got some Autolite spark plugs here. We're gonna throw this into the cylinder and kind of just seat it into the gasket here, just like that. We're gonna hand screw it in first, make sure it's seated properly. Take your wrench and crank it down, and I believe these are about 10mm of torque needed. There's also a guide on the box you can follow as well if you don't have a torque wrench. So 1/4 turn, quarter turn, and just follow that guide and you'll have a tight out spark plug. I usually just go about hand tight, 9 to 10mm. We're gonna smooth quarter turn. All right, so replacing the second cylinder, we had a P0302 code, so that's cylinder 2. We'll put a new ignition coil in there. So, same style, brand new and shiny. I'm gonna take a bit of dilated grease, and this just prevents the boot from seizing onto the spark plug, so it's easier to take out next time you do a spark plug change. And you just need the smallest minute amount of grease, just like that. And just rub it around the inside here. Here we go. What we're gonna do is drop the new coil onto the spark plug, wiggle it around, make sure it's evenly coated, and then just push it all the way down. So turn this the right way. Throw your bolt back in there, tighten it down with a 10mm. And these are hand tight. These are very easy to strip and break. So get that hand tight. Go take your 10, tighten it down real quick. And just get it on there snug. That's all you need. Don't go any further than that. Plug it back in. And then do the same thing with the rest of them. All right, once you get done with all, make sure all the bolts are snug down, and then throw your cap back on, start it up, and should be good to go. And then this should fix your P0302 code. Just switch the plugs out, or actually, you can actually switch all the ignition coils out and all the spark plugs if you're doing full service, and then you'll be good to go for another 100,000 miles. It's a Toyota. It lasts forever. All right, yeah, so clear the code, so good for a drive. Everything is good to go. No more P0302 code. So all the parts and tools will be linked in the description below. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. If you like this video, helps you out, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. Other than that, thanks for watching.